Well, the first corner big crash has claimed another injury this year, and I want to know in the comments below, you tell me, do you think this is because of the starting gates being metal that everyone's getting a way better start than they normally do, or is this just bad luck for people like Ferris right there, who you can tell as soon as he gets up, he's holding his arm, it's dangling, absolutely broken, absolutely just, I remember I watched that live and just went, oh, that's not going to be good for him. And it isn't. He apparently broke his arm. He's had surgery in Vail to fix it. And what starting to be a okay first year, or first full year for him, turns to that face right there of just pure pain. And it's kind of sad to see because it's every race now you get the first corner, one gigantic pileup. And yes, this has happened in the years past without these the grates, but it seems like it's just everyone gets such a better start. They're going so much faster into that first corner, and there's not enough space for everyone. But I don't know. In the comments below, you tell me. Do you think they're good? Do you think they're bad? Is it their fault, or is it just pure luck that this many crashes are happening this year? Whatever it is, comment it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.